AfriForum approaches court over Grace Mugabe assault case. Civil rights organization, AfriForum is on Tuesday expected to approach the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria to request a review over diplomatic immunity granted to Zimbabwe's First Lady Grace Mugabe. Grace was granted diplomatic immunity last month by International Relations and Cooperation Minister Connie after allegations of assaulting model Gabriella Engels at a hotel room in Sandton, Johannesburg. She had found the model in the company of her sons. Grace was allowed to leave the country after being granted the immunity. AfriForum vowed to take up the case and have Grace formally charged with assault. Last month, AfriForum announced its intentions to object the Department of International Relations' decision to grant diplomatic immunity to the Zimbabwean president's wife. The civil rights organization said last month, if the review application is successful, the doors will be open for the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, to prosecute Mrs. Mugabe. If the NPA refuses to prosecute, AfriForum's private prosecuting unit, under the leadership of Adverb Jerry Nell, is ready to go ahead with a private prosecution on behalf of Miss Engels. Whether Mrs. Mugabe is in South Africa or not, and although diplomatic immunity has been granted to her, the last word has not been spoken regarding this matter, said CEO of AfriForum Callie Creel.